Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a family member on a Life360 circle. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first, head over to the Life360 app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, tap on your circles at the top, the little drop down. Make sure you have the correct circle highlighted for the one where you want to add a family member. Then tap on the plus button in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now here it says invite members to the family circle. So you share your code out loud or send it in a message. This code will be active for 2 days. So all you need to do is just share this code with the person that you'd like to add to your Life360 circle. And then they will be able to join your circle. That's what it takes to add a family member on Life360 circle. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.